Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 0x80240024 error when downloading store apps in the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system, or perhaps you are performing a Windows update. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu. Type in WS Reset, best match, circle back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. And then hopefully that would have been able to resolve the issue. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result, circle back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to go ahead and type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, you want to proceed to close out of here and then restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.